Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review another Basmati rice from India Gate. So guys, this is the India Gate Basmati Rice Rozzana Feast Rozzana. Sorry. So this is the India Gate Basmati Rice Feast Rozzana. This is one of the affordable level Basmati rice from India Gate. And today we are going to review this product. So let's get down to the review of it. So guys, like the other India Gate Basmati Rice product, this also comes in a 1 kg pouch here. This is a 1 kg pouch. The quantity is written here, 1 kg. Right here we can see the India Gate logo and the India Gate branding right here. Then it says Basmati Rice Feast Rozzana, the name of the product. Here is the KRBL Limited branding right here. Then they are advertising the India Gate Classic Basmati Rice right here. So you can see here, the perfect choice to impress your guests this festive season. 2 years aged rice, try the India Gate Classic. This rice is also aged. So you can see the aged rice pyramid here. This is also aged. Moving on to the back of the pack. Like all the other pack, this also has a transparent lining here through which you can actually see the grain of the rice. So compared to the super or the classic rice, we can see the grains of this rice are much shorter in length, right? Coming here, we can see the India Gate branding again here, and there's a small banner here which they have on all their packs, which says India Gate Basmati Rice Feast Rozzana originates on the heart of Basmati growing land of India, the northwestern Himalayan region. The highest quality harvest of the region is tested, procured and then sent for aging in the most conducive environment of the company-owned storage facilities. The aged paddy is then sent for cleaning, milling and packaging in a state-of-the-art rice milling plant. On the other hand, they say why aged rice, like why should you eat aged rice? For the Basmati rice to flower in all its unique attributes, it must be aged in conducive and controlled environment. The result on cooking, the grains elongate 2 to 3 times normally won't break or stick together and release an unique characteristic aroma. The 2-color pyramid of this pack is our guarantee that you are buying aged Basmati rice. So this is aged Basmati rice, but they haven't mentioned for how many years though, right? Like on the super and on the classic, they had mentioned that rice is aged for a minimum of 2 years. On this Rozzana, they haven't mentioned how many years or months as the paddy has been aged. Another difference, just letting you know. Cooking tips. Pre-cooking, rinse the rice thoroughly, soak it for 30 minutes. That's what they have asked for all their rice, right? The cooking method remains the same. In a large cooking pot, bring water, which is 5 cups of water, to a rolling boil. Add the drained rice. For every 1 cup of rice, you require 5 cups of water if you are doing an open pan method. And cook it for 6 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Strain the excess water and serve. If you are using the closed pan method, bring 2 cups of water and 1 cup of rice to a boil. Cover the pan with a tight lid and let it simmer for 9 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat and allow it to stand covered for 5 minutes. That's it. So you don't need to drain when you are doing a closed pot method, right? Here are the nutritional information given here on the pack, and the shelf life of this rice is again 24 months from packaging. Now coming to the MRP of the India Gate Basmati Rice Feast Rozzana, the MRP is ₹91 per kg. So which is like half the price, even less than half the price of their India Gate Basmati Super or the India Gate Basmati Classic. India Gate Classic Basmati. So this rice is costing you half the cost of whatever is the price of the India Gate Classic and the India Gate Super. So this is the affordable range of India Gate Basmati rice. So this is the India Gate Basmati Rice Feast Rozzana, and I feel the rice would taste the same. It is just that the grain is shorter in size compared to the Basmati Rice Super or the Classic Basmati. Overall, I feel the taste would be similar. So guys, this was my review about the India Gate Basmati Rice Feast Rozzana. I have tried this rice and I didn't find much difference in the super and this rice, because super was just elongated, much longer grains. Also, it had a bit more of the basmati aroma compared to the Feast Rozzana. But definitely this rice is also good and it is worth the price. For 91, it's a perfect basmati rice to have. So guys, India Gate Basmati Rice Feast Rozzana is an amazing rice for your daily use when you want to make steamed rice, jeera rice, etc. It is a perfect. But when it comes to the special occasions, when you want to make a biryani or you want to make a pulao for an occasion, that's when you go for the Basmati Rice Super or the Basmati Rice Classic from India Gate, right? Because that gives you that special look with that elongated grain of rice and that special aroma of basmati. So overall, this is an amazing rice for your daily use. So guys, this was my review about the India Gate Basmati Rice Feast Rozzana. And if you all have tried it out, don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below, letting me know how did you all find this rice. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.